Good morning. Last night we were up until about 3:30 recording our podcast, and I am paying for it right now. I am so tired. But I'm gonna make a smoothie, and I thought that I would show you what I put in it. So I put some blueberries that me and my son picked at a blueberry farm just down the road from where we lived. That's the last of it, which is kind of bittersweet. And then there's a whole banana, there's some frozen avocado, some raspberries and yogurt, a little bit of MCT oil, and then I just put a whole coconut water in there. And me and him are gonna share this. So I need this kind of breakfast right now, just something fast and easy. And I am starving. Not starving, but I'm hungry, so this will be perfect. I had to add some more water because it just was, I guess, too chunky. I just want to report that this smoothie, she's thick. She's really good. Very tasty. Today is Thursday, March 2nd. And I should be expecting my Sephora package today. So I just woke up from a nap and I'm feeling refreshed. I'm still a little bit tired, but I do feel better than I felt before. So I just wanted to share with you that my Sephora package came in the mail. And I'm gonna just open it briefly on here, kind of go through the products. I'm excited. Came this morning, but like I just was busy doing stuff, so now I have a little bit more time, and I'm gonna go through the products and kind of explain to you why I decided on purchasing it, and then maybe in another video or this one I will do a deep dive into testing them out and reviewing them. So okay. So first up, it's not a lot of things, but I'm excited. So this is the Cream Blush Light by Melt Cosmetics, and I've been looking at these for quite a while now, and they went on sale, I think for like 15 something each. So I think right now they're on sale for like 30 Canadian, but I snatched it when it was 15. So really excited to try this. I bought mine in the shade Pink Sand, and I heard really good things of it. I don't have many cream blushes in my collection, so when I saw this months ago, I wanted to test it out, and I also like the women behind the brand as well, and I wanted to support them. So this is what the packaging looks like, and ooh, the lid kind of snaps easily. It's like those kitchen drawers when like they kind of slide back in on their own. Really pretty color. I was going back and forth on what color that I wanted to get. I wanted the orange one initially, and then I went back to like I don't know if it was like the corally one, but I ended up falling with the Pink Sand. I just find that this one's gonna be the most flattering and most versatile, and just like easy to pair on an everyday basis. So really excited to try this blush light out by Melt Cosmetics. Again, it's in the shade Pink Sand. What else did we get here? So this had really good reviews, and it's really old and I'm gonna stop using it, but it's the Wet n Wild bronzer stick. Yeah, it's just really easy to use, but I don't necessarily love the finish and the longevity of the product. I was looking for a cream bronzer or liquid bronzer targeted as a clean glowing skin foundation, and it's by Sephora. It's part of the S Clean collection or range, and I got this in the shade 23. It had really good reviews, and it's something that I want to incorporate on an everyday basis, but it's not too intense, and this just seemed like a good fit. This clean, glowing skin foundation enriched with matcha tea and vitamin C hydrates skin, leaving a radiant finish and light buildable coverage. Dermatologically tested and non-comedogenic. And it's 30 ml, and I think I paid 13 something for this. So again, great sale and great reviews. And obviously I'm not going to use this all over my face. Again, this is something that I want to use as like a liquid bronzer. So next up is again, Melt Cosmetics. I bought their Sex Foil Digital Liquid Highlight, and this is in the shade Stargazer. Again, really great reviews, heard amazing things from people online that I kind of follow and trust their opinion on certain products. Oh no, it broke. Oh no, this isn't good. It's literally broken, the whole bottle. Oh no. Well, they're gonna have to reimburse me or mail another one. It's literally broken. Next up, I have the Artist Couture Stay Lit Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Cross Faded, and I've always wanted to support the person behind this brand. So I thought, again, this was on sale. Everything in this package was on sale. I think this was 12 something, and it's just a really pretty gold with pearl reflect that I thought I could just like use when I want something really quick on the lid, but something that has like a wow factor. So I purchased that. And the last thing I got was this Acai Brow Butter Sculpting Grooming Brow Pomade, and it's in the shade Deep Brown. And I was looking for something for every day, and like I do love the fluffy brow, and I love the Got To Be gel that like keeps my brows in place all day, and I used that all the time, and I still do. But I was just looking for something that I don't have to necessarily get the big tube, put a little bit on my hand, get my mascara wand, then clean my mascara wand because it's exposed. I just wanted something that was already in the bottle, but was like not as powerful, just for like every day. But you know, we're gonna test it and see what I think. I think the shade is gonna be a good match. So we're gonna test all of these products in a new video.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, and looks so great cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over.
It is currently a winter storm where I live, so again, we are staying in. But I thought I would do a face mask, and this one is by Laline. It's a new company, skincare company that came out recently, a few years ago. I discovered them in the mall, and their products smell so good. And they have this range, the Dead Sea Mineral, line, and this is the exfoliating face mask with argan oil, and it's one of their best sellers. Like I said, there's a winter storm outside and another day where we're gonna just stay in and hang out, but I'll pop on the ingredients on the screen so you can see. So, oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna leave this on for about 10-15 minutes, and I'm gonna apply a thick layer of it. There is a little bit of like a tingling sensation, but I think that's quite common when you apply clay-based masks with, you know, exfoliating ingredients. Sometimes a tingling sensation is good because it means that it's leveling out your pH, and when it's extreme, then you might want to wash it off, but this is a pleasant experience. And excuse the background, but like I said, we are temporarily living at my mom's, so you know, I'm just kind of living out of boxes and makeshift structures. So I'm just gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off, and I'm gonna apply another mask for overnight. Just washing it off now, and it's so creamy, and there's like this light exfoliation that happens when you add water. Oh, but my skin feels like a baby's bum. It's so smooth, and it smells amazing. It is later now and I'm about to jump in bed, but I wanted to just show you the mask that I'll be applying for overnight. It's by Versed, and I'm probably have 2 more uses out of it, but it's lasted me quite a while and I really do like it. It's the Shortcut Overnight Facial Peel with lactic and glycolic acid, and it helps with dullness and aging skin, but I have like a tiny bit left, and I like that I can leave it overnight and I wake up with really smooth skin. But you shouldn't apply this over any irritated skin, and definitely not when you're about to like jump out in the sun and spend time outside, because it can be sensitive to the sun. So just keep that in mind. But it has a very light scent to it, and it just makes my skin feel really, really soft. And there's definitely a luminosity to it when I wake up. And so then what happens is you leave it overnight, kind of avoid the eye area, and you wash it off in the morning. And you can use it, I believe, 2 to 3 times a week. Yeah. So anyway, today was really nice. It was really low-key, but my sister came by and we spent some time, and she ordered a pizza, which was really yummy, and she got the Canadian from Domino's, if you're wondering. The bacon and mushroom and pepperoni. That's what the Canadian is, if you're not familiar. So, and now I'm just gonna like lay low. My son woke up at 4:30 in the morning, so I'm really tired. And tomorrow there's gonna be a ton of snow on the ground, which will look really pretty and be a lot of fun to play in, for him anyway. And yeah, I'll catch up tomorrow with you guys. I hope you have a good sleep wherever you are. It's too heavy? Okay, then give it back to Mimi. You think you're gonna be able to get it out? Yeah, I just have to clear the sides. Good morning. The winter storm last night. Yeah. The amount of snow on the ground is ridiculous, and it's like heavy, dense snow. So, I mean, fortunately, we had parked our cars at the end of the driveway, so we didn't really need to worry about the first half. But holy, that was crazy. You saw a little snippet of me, and that was just near the end of it. I was like shoveling random parts. I was trying to do the top first and then get to the bottom because the shovel I was using was not the best. But anywho, um, it's a great day for kids to be out. So he's just playing outside with his Mimi, my mom. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt, it's because I am currently living out of two outfits at the moment. And I just keep rewashing the same clothes. So there's that. I am going to make breakfast, and I'm going to make French toast and a yummy latte. Pretty excited.
Well, we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove. But I guess that's over now. We've been playing his since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go away, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go away, just shout it out. Just be honest, be right now.
So that French toast was delicious. Now we're gonna do our makeup. I'm gonna grab my Origins Mega Mushroom Relief Lotion. This is awesome for aggravated skin. And just adding some hydration. Gonna use my Jouer Hydrating Mist. Talked to you guys about this the other day. It's awesome. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is a lash curler by CoverGirl. It's so old, but I love it. It fits my eyes perfectly. And then I'm gonna groom the brows using the Got To Be Glued Spiking Gel. I'm gonna just brush that through with a spoolie. I didn't go for the super fluffy brow. I went more for a tamed look. So I did end up brushing them down a bit. But now we're gonna work on the hair. So this is about day 4 or 5 of not washing my hair, and I like to go about a week. So I'm just gonna use my John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon and putting about a pea size and then rubbing that through the hair and just making sure I get all the flyaways and rubbing that through the middle section and primarily on the top of the head. And then whatever I had left, I kind of just spread throughout the bottom. I didn't do anything special to my hair today, but I wanted to test this new product I got by Heritage, and it is the texturizing spray. I used a little bit of it today, and I'm still gathering my thoughts about the product, but I will let you know in a future video what I think of it. It smells really good. And then I'm just going to kind of brush through the top of my hair and split it in the middle, and I'm going to add these 2 really cute clips to kind of flatten that part and make it easier so that I can do my makeup without any hairs in the way. Also, I'm really tempted to go lighter, and I think I'm going to dye my hair and film it for a future video. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in watching that. And now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lip Balm lipstick. I'm not too sure, but this one is in the shade Guava, and it has a nice little peppermint tingling sensation if you're into that. Now going in with my Bourjois Healthy Foundation and the Profusion Liquid Highlighter, and I'm just going to mix the two and then apply that as like a glowy tinted foundation. And I hadn't used these products mixed together before, so I thought that the Profusion liquid highlighter, because there is quite a generous amount of like shimmer, I think it just looks better applied on the areas of the face that you want highlighted rather than all over. So just keep that in mind. But I do love that Eco Tools beauty sponge. And then I'm going in with my Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. And this is definitely a shade or two dark. And it does have like a yellowy undertone, but I still can get away with it. So I'm just going to use that product up until it's done. But going to blend that out and adding just a little bit of brightness and coverage on the face. Now that I think of it, I'm pretty sure that that sponge is meant for the body, but I use it on my face and it takes like 2.5 seconds to blend everything out because it's so big, but underneath the eye, definitely needed to go in with my brush. Next up, I'm going to use my Les Soitier Havana bronzer, and I went a little bit heavy-handed on that one side of the face. I think I toned it down a bit, but anyway. And then I'm going to use this really, really old blush from Arbonne when I used to work with them. And it's just a really pretty shade and it goes with so many looks. And it's something that I just pick up when I don't know what to use. So using my Real Techniques brush, I love the Real Techniques range of makeup brushes. They're amazing and pretty affordable and they last a really long time, which is awesome. And then I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus coconut spray, I believe, and just spritz that all over and then fan it out. I ended up reaching for my NYX eyeshadow, and this is in a coral shade. It's really pretty, however, I prefer it as a blush topper instead, so I think that's one of the main reasons why I brought this product. Don't love it on my eyes, but it is pretty. And next, we're going to go in with mascara. This is the Unlimited Mascara by L'Oreal. I just applied a thin coat because I could tell that this mascara is at its end. Anyway, that's the look for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. She's the boss of everybody in this house. March 5th, 2023. Lead with a kind heart. Always. A lot of things happened today that made me want to rip my eyes out. But there were also really happy moments in the day too, and it just made me feel really confused because I was like, are you upset, Catherine? Or, you know, is it not a big deal and you can just let it pass and overcome this and things will get better? I'm just feeling very heavy right now. And breathing helps me, stepping away from, you know, the moment helps me, and setting boundaries, and just, you know, that little voice in my head today was just telling me, Catherine, observe, don't absorb. Observe, don't absorb. So I encourage you to do the same. YouTube, filming, doing my makeup makes me really happy. So I'm going to continue to do it if I can. And honestly, living at my mom's is a huge help in terms of pulling out the camera and having time to do so. Tomorrow's a new day. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!